Okay, so we are going to see the assignment for the topic mathematical operators. If you like to watch the videos on this topic before starting the assignment, the links are given in the description box. Our team was really excited to see all the assignments you have submitted. Keep up the good work and continue to do more assignments. Some of you had sent messages to us that you could not submit the assignment because you have errors in your code and you did not know how to fix them. And we want to tell you that you can submit the assignment even if there is error in your code. We will correct the error and we will also send you some tips that will be very useful for you to fix your errors if you get them again later. So please submit all your assignments and we are here to help you. For this assignment, we are going to calculate the bill for our shopping. Have you seen a bill which you get in shops when you buy things? So we are going to calculate a similar bill. Imagine we are going to vegetable shop and we are buying some fruits and vegetables. Now we are going to calculate the cost of each vegetable and fruit we bought, and then we are going to calculate the total by adding all those values. Let me show you that. So this table is a list of items we bought. The first column gives the price of each of the item we bought. So we bought beans 70 kg, carrot 130 kg. Beans is 70 rupees, carrot is 130 rupees, potato is 45 rupees, apple is 115 rupees, and orange is 55 rupees. Now this kg, the second column, gives how many kgs we bought. So we bought 2 kg beans, 3 kg carrot, 2 kg potatoes, 5 kg apples, and 2 oranges. Now in the third column, we are going to calculate the cost for each vegetable or fruit. Okay, so beans cost will be equal to this price into kg, correct? So if 1 kg was 70 rupees, 2 kg will be 140 rupees. So we write beans into 2, which is this kg. Carrot cost is this carrot variable into this 3. Potatoes cost will be equal to 45 into 2. Apple will be equal to 115 into 5. Orange will be equal to 55 into 2. So after calculating this, we can calculate the total by adding the cost of each vegetable and fruit in the table. So here beans underscore cost, carrot underscore cost. So here is where we have the cost of each vegetable or fruit. So the total will be equal to beans underscore cost plus carrots cost plus potatoes cost plus apples cost plus oranges cost. Now we can print the bill by saying your bill is, and print the value of this variable called total. Let me show you the code I wrote to calculate this bill. So first I wrote the price of each item. Then I multiplied it by the kilograms we bought. And in the final step, I have added the cost of all the items to get the total. And then I have printed the total. So let me save the file and run the code. So the total amount is printed. So I hope you enjoy writing code for this assignment. You can change the price and the kgs to whatever you like, or even the fruits and vegetable to whatever you like, and you can write a table like this and then write the code to calculate the total. We are very excited to see the code that you are going to submit for this assignment. If you want to know how to submit assignments, please click on the link shown at the top of the video. Please submit your assignments and I will see you soon in another new and interesting topic. If you have any questions or if you need help with this assignment, please leave a comment below and codePannu team will try to reply to your question.